So before I bring out the ricotta pastry, I just want to make one point. I looked back at the previous video and I realized that my shirt was buttoned or unbuttoned down to about here, which is beyond embarrassing, but I couldn't do it over, so we're all going to live with it. Know that I'm as stupid feeling as you probably felt watching it. It was an embarrassment. So before I bring out the ricotta pastry, I just want to make a point. I went back and looked at that previous video after I shot it, and I realized that I had left my shirt unbuttoned about 3/4 of the way down. Now just know in my defense, it's 97 degrees out, and yes, I'm baking, but it was an embarrassment, so I apologize. Now, after 25 minutes in the oven, about 5 minutes longer than they recommend, and I think it's because it just felt like my dough was a little thick. I'm going to bring one of them over, and let's see if we can take this off and what we have waiting for us. It is hot, of course, that's why I'm being so, So, there we go. Looks pretty good. Maybe it could be a little darker. I have a good feeling about this though. So now what we're going to do is cut it open.